Gusto mo ba na manood ng YouTube video on another window while you are working on your computer? Ito yung ginagawa kong presentation sa PowerPoint. Gusto kong manood ng YouTube, dito ko ilalagay o dito while I am working on this window. Punta tayo sa YouTube. So ito yung gusto kong panoorin. So right click lang natin. One click. Then right click ulit natin. We will see here the picture in picture. So click lang natin itong picture in picture. So meron na tayong mini player dito sa lower right corner ng ating screen. Balik tayo sa aking PowerPoint. So play natin.
This is what I think of when I think of those days. So like, the thing I think about the most, the thing that occurs to me the most, was the headspace required to come up with a fresh video every day. And what I mean is, like, as long as you're focused on...
Pwede natin pause. Pwede natin lagay dito. Pwede din dito. Then, pag babalik tayo dun sa YouTube, sa malaking window, back to tab lang. Back to tab lang.
What is my video today? Then, are you ever really like...
Activate ulit natin yung mini player. Click. Then, click again. Picture in picture. Play. Ganito ang pwede mong gawin kapag hindi dual screen ng setup ng iyong computer. Pero kung dual screen o triple screen o 4 screen ng iyong computer, hindi mo na kailangan.